Alright, welcome back. It's been a while since I've opened something. Uh, Here we have a puzzle box, but it is not this puzzle box that we're looking at. This is one that I've been building. I did not make it. I bought the plans and printed it myself and assembled it. But we'll get into this one some other time. It's not completed yet. Still got a little bit of work to do. I'm reprinting a few things on it. So anyway, we're gonna set this one aside. Over here somewhere. I think make a little bit of room on my little maker space here that I got on my computer desk. Alright, so you ready for this? Still in the bag. It came in a box. I pulled out of the box, so it's still in the original bag. Let's take a look at what we got here. Alright. It is only cardboard, even though it has that, I don't know, steel pattern on it. Alright. So we have, I can't even see it there, the Riddler Puzzle Box Detective Mode variant. And here I go dropping stuff on the ground. I don't even know what that is. Alright. Now, I haven't watched any videos on this itself. I've read some of the comments. People said it's cheap. People said it's already been solved when they've opened it. The way I look at it is this was designed as a toy. It was designed for kids. Maybe it should have been a little more sturdy. I don't know. I haven't opened mine to see if it's, rickety piece of shit or not. But let's go ahead and let's open it up and try it out, which I have not done yet. Okay. Alright. It's wrapped up, protected nicely. There's nothing else in the box. Set that down there. It's open. Some people complain. They said, well, it's really not fun. Once you open it once, it's just, what do you do with it? It's like, you bought a puzzle box. What did you think you were going to do? You were going to get, months, years, and, worth of fun out of it? It's like, no, you solve it, you open it, and that's it. And some people were just returning it because of that. All right. Detective mode variant. All right. So we got a dial over here. Now, you could probably force this door open. I mean, you can see there's play, but it's no different than any other 3D printed thing that I've done. Oh, that pushed that out. See? These don't turn, but that pushes that out. Got some push buttons here. And we got these guys here, whatever these may or may not do. So let's go ahead, and that's the obvious thing. We just push that out. All right. Okay, so it's got a riddle on it. Well, a question mark, the Riddler sign. Nope. None of the lid pieces seem to move. That would have been cool if, like, one of the lid pieces came out. This was, like, all jumbled, and you had to do that slide puzzle, where you had to solve that. Okay, so we got that out. So there's nothing on the bottom. I mean, I can see where you could force the top open, see? But you don't want to go pushing and pulling on things like that. I can see inside here. You can't really see inside there, but this doesn't fit. So I don't even know what to do with this guy. I mean, it's not magnetic that I'm aware of. I'm cheating. It's not magnetic. Okay, so there's a drawer here. I'm assuming these in some way are going to allow this drawer to open. Hold on. Sorry, just thought I heard somebody outside. Okay, so that comes out. Okay, great. But now what do we do with it? These other ones don't turn or do anything else. It says Riddle. It doesn't, can't do anything with it. It doesn't open. Wait. No, I just saw a little, see that little line? I thought maybe that was something. But it doesn't appear to do anything. Again, it doesn't fit inside there. All right, well, that's supposed to come off? I don't think that was supposed to come off because there's nothing underneath it. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Oh, yeah, it was. There we go. That comes off, and then that slides up. Okay, all right. And then we hit the button. Ah, look at that. We got the lid. All right. What is that? Ooh. All right, all right. Whatever that is. Okay, put that aside. And we got some clues. Now I read for what the contents are. There's supposed to be a black light with this. I don't see one here. Let's take a look. You know, maybe it's in another compartment. Okay, I was hoping to not have to tear all the plastic because I wanted to reuse the plastic to put it back in. Well, it's not season's greetings, it's greetings. All right, welcome friends to your very own puzzle box made by me, the Riddler. To continue, you'll need to phone some friends. Forget the bats, call the birds and a cat, and start with your oldest friend first. Success is just a few clicks away. Good luck. Forget the bats, call the birds and a cat. Okay, we'll put that aside. Take a look at this one. There's something right there. Probably need the black light for, you know. To open the vault, you must have the heart. Dial the year when the bat got his start. "1939." And that says May. Thwarts murderer. Investigators comb through evidence. Okay. I don't think that's it, but let's try. Or is it 1939? I don't know. Oh, it did open. Okay, cool. Now that. Now we got more stuff. We got another piece. Oh, batarang. All right. So these guys belong up here. Well, it's not in there. So what is this? Wayne Industries. Wayne Industries. Bruce Wayne and Lucius Fox. And then we got another card. From the office of Bruce Wayne, he crossed it out and put Edward Nygma. Line up the keys to success to claim your prize. Line up the keys to success. I'm assuming he means these as keys. Line them up. I mean, Bruce Wayne and then Lucius Fox. Something like that. The only spot I can think of is there's that. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right here. The slots. Nothing like that. Okay. Line up the keys. See, but that doesn't fit. Does it go in like this? Or do they mean like this? Well, that'd be Lucius Fox on top. Bruce Wayne should be on top. Or would it be like, no, they don't go in that way. Wait, there's a dot right there. Oh, look at that. Well, that ain't doing it. And they're lined up. It's got to have something to do with this. That's the only one that goes all the way in. It's that side. And it can't move around and do anything. Huh. Alright. What am I missing? Alright, that's getting annoying. There we go. Okay. I'm assuming it's going to release this. Alright, I'm not getting it. Line up the keys to success to claim your prize. There, they're lined up. Is this the last part of the puzzle? Is that it? No, because I still got that. But when I stick this in, it doesn't do anything. I mean, there's no other way it could go. It has to go like that. There it is. So now I got them both in there. I don't know what it does though. Got them both in there, but nothing's happening now, so I don't know. Okay. Got them lined up. Of course, now I can't get them in there again. So that's this. That's that one. Wait a second. How's that go? This one's going to be on top. So I see that it's blocked right here. Doesn't want to go in there. That one would be there. And this one would definitely be on top. Like this. Okay, there they go again. It's not freeing anything up. I mean, what am I missing on this? These don't move at all. I'm assuming it would open this. But maybe not. Alright, is my puzzle broken? Let's see here. What number was that? We got 1, 2. So this is puzzle 3. I don't even know anything about the pad because I don't see anything else that would open. I mean, we got this piece here. Alright, you know what? I'm going to have to cheat because I'm stumped. I mean, I got those in there. This top part's screwed down, so it's not going to open. Although I may have to take a screwdriver, take that apart, and see what it looks like inside, right? Maybe I can make a puzzle box using some of these mechanics here. So this is lined up. Now I've got it really wedged in there. Alright, well, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to check this out. I'll be back. Okay, alright, so I ended up having to go through a couple videos to figure this out because Chris Ramsey, for those of you that have watched puzzle videos, he had the same issue and he ended up just forcing the drawer open. You can see mine's partially open because I actually did manage to get it open. But that's not how you open it. What requires is you do this. Where's the video? There it is. So you put the keys in. You need your black light, which apparently they did not come with my version, and I do not have a black light here to use. So if you look at the actual screen, the non-detective version, there's just stickers here. You can just see them plainly. And the riddle here, was this the first one? Yeah. Call the bird, the cat, etc. Again, you can't see them, but there's emblems here. You got Robin, there's a cat symbol, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Even there's only, and then you just, the bird is Robin right here, so that'd be 3. So it's 3, 6, 9, 4, and then this drawer opens. It'll actually pop open. I don't know why mine's being all janky. Probably because I got that in there. So that's how you solve that one. I needed the black light that I didn't have. So, not quite sure why it doesn't have one. And it's kind of pissing me off because other people have said they haven't gotten it either. I'm like, how difficult is it to send a black light with a puzzle? You paid a little bit extra money for it. Anyway, let's go ahead and let's see what it says. Come on. Says you solved all my riddles. Well done and congrats. Bully for you. You're as smart as the bat. Though the game is now over, this isn't the end. Put everything back and challenge a friend. E.N. Enigma. Edward Enigma. And it came with another piece. This is a heavy piece of metal. Alright, why am I like stupid at putting this thing together? It's supposed to be like the Batarang. How the hell does that look? I don't know how that look. Oh, it slides in. That's why I couldn't do it. It slides in. Okay. I got another piece around here somewhere, don't I? Yeah, right here in front of me. That's definitely not how that goes. Is it? Yeah. No. Why can't I? I can't assemble the damn thing. There it goes. There we go. I mean, this thing is heavy. Obviously, it's not sharp. It's dull. But you throw this at somebody and hit them, you're gonna hurt them. I don't care how dull the thing is. Anyway, that was pretty cool. I mean, it is fairly simple, and I really wish I had the black light, so we could have actually solved it the way we're supposed to. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't pay the $100 or something that it was originally cost, but I got it for $30, so that was worthwhile for $30. Like I said, I may actually take it apart and see how some of the stuff works. But anyway, have a good one and see you later.